everyone, welcome to our lesson 6 class 2 of African drum with singing. Today we are going to continue with our song Nkosi Siphe Amandla. We are going to do the second verse, which is the last verse of our song. Sizophumelela, 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 uma wenu khona. Let's try it again. Sizophumelela, 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 uma wenu khona. Let's try it again. Ready? This is the end of our African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.